Happy New Year from your friends here at Reddick Brown Ford. I'm Brock Patterson, National Specialty Vehicle Manager here. Behind the camera, that's Braxton Patterson, my son. He's our marketing manager. We are excited for 2024. A lot of great new builds being introduced into the marketplace in 2024, so we're excited. Now, we've got a lot of information that is going to be released to you here in the first quarter of 2023. Some new, exciting, and different ways to showcase our product. Right behind me is that beautiful color that was introduced this year, Area 51 on the 2023 Fox Factory FTX F-150. So coming in at an MSRP of $94,389, the FTX truck, Area 51 by Fox Factory. This is a hit. So main component, your front end, signature look that you're gonna see out of all of those Fox Factory lineup of trucks. So FTX trucks started out with Tuscany Motor Company before that was acquired by Fox Factory out of Elkhart, Indiana. They've hit a home run for years and years. Front full replacement hood, painted to match. It's got that Area 51. You've got the front grille, bumper, all painted to match components. You've got some black contrast up front. So great looking front end of this truck. Now you've got a BDS suspension lift. BDS is owned by Fox Factory as well. So again, you're gonna see that name partnered all throughout these builds all year long. You've got a Fox 2.0 shock system, 325/60/20 BFG all-terrain tires. Not gonna hear a lot of road noise. Great riding tire and a 20-inch high gloss black wheel from Fuel. So nice setup here. Fender flares painted to match, high quality components molded, and you've got your fender vent with your FTX chrome lettering. So you're gonna see some Area 51, some chrome and some black contrast all throughout the truck. Gonna make that Area 51 pop. Here on your rocker, you got your cladding with your FTX logo. You've got power running boards, rock guard, and your lights underneath. So great setup here on the truck. Now this F-150 is an XLT donor chassis, so hard loaded, lots of options on the XLT as well. FTX lettering here on your box of your bed. This is a 5.5-foot bed, painted to match tonneau cover on top. So you got a nice tonneau cover on your truck. Rear setup, you've got a dual out exhaust with a chrome tip. So you've got a Borla exhaust system. Similar setup that you see on some of the other trucks that have been built. Fox Factory completely dials it in. The great thing about the product that you're gonna get from Fox Factory is you're gonna get 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty from Ford. Fox Factory is gonna provide that 3-year, 36,000-mile warranty on their components as well. Now we offer, it's just for the F-150 chassis, extended warranty that'll help out. Now all of this can be serviced and maintained by your local Ford dealer, or if you're in our market, we'd be happy to serve you. We are a Fox Factory elite dealership. We're one of the main regional locations for anything that requires some extensive service work. We're the location. So Reddick Brown Ford out of Morrison, Tennessee, ReddickBrownFord.com. 24/7 you can check out all of our inventory. Area 51 in the FTX. I've got an Atlas Blue in stock right now and an Agate Black as well. Now let's take a look at the interior. So inside our cab, so XLT chassis, you still have that new from 2021 and up, elongated front dash, giant 12+ inch center stack screen. So for a dude like me that's got to wear readers and stuff, love that we've got a big screen. So 2/3 of the panel is going to be one function that you select, audio, navigation, whatever the case is, and your third over here is going to be, you know, another option. Could be fuel economy, could be navigation. So you have a lot of versatility and utility out of your center stack screen to give you, the driver, a lot of information or entertainment. You name it, you've got it. Apple CarPlay to be used. I was on the fence with Apple CarPlay for a couple of years, and then I'm now dialed in. I love Apple CarPlay, the Waze app that you can integrate. I hope we're going to see more content available to be uploaded into apps for the system. We'll probably see that coming in 2024 and beyond. So your dash, you've got a little bit of analog and digital on the your front dash, and everything is here hands-free. Calling, your voice activated navigation, so everything is right here at a glance with your steering wheel. Now you can make a 10-way adjustment on your front seats, as well as your foot pedals are adjustable as well, so you can make all the adjustments that you want to get into your seating position for something that's perfect for you as a driver. A lot of comfort and room in our front seats. These are leather seat covers as well with the FTX logo and the headrest. So overall, it is a great interior. Bang & Olufsen stereo system, and a lot of great content on the inside. You've still got your analog system here on our climate control, so we moved away from having a lot of digital, probably because of this chip shortage. So you've got some analog systems here, and everything else is going to be touchscreen up front. You got your front-facing camera with a 360-degree view, so we're glad we've got that option available. This is a four-wheel drive truck, so you got a 4x4. It's going to be in 2-high standard, and then you can select the drive mode or four-wheel drive option as you seem fit. You've got a 12-volt and a 120 over here with a USB and USB-C port as well, so a lot of ability to charge your devices in the front and in the rear as well. Our storage, got an extra glove box here on top, so a little bit of small storage, and your standard glove box up front. Now overall, like I said, great road visibility off of your hood. You've got a custom hood, but you've still got great road visibility, and I think a lot of driving comfort in these trucks. So our F-150 platform, best in class. Rear seat area is big compared to our competition. Love the interior. Great warranty. This is the best of the best. Now this is a 3.5 liter EcoBoost engine, so it's an EcoBoost, great gas mileage, a lot of torque, some juice in it, so this thing will flat out get up and go. No modifications to the engine, so you're going to still have factory engine, 10-speed transmission as well. So this is a serial vehicle, happens to be serial number 33 for 2023. That was my high school football number, by the way. FTX limited edition truck here, Reddick Brown Ford. Listen, we've got some great incentives on all of our previous model year inventory. I'm going to tell you about that next. Listen, every week, Friday at 5 o'clock, we release a new video on YouTube. I want to thank you for staying around and watching the FTX by Fox Factory video. Listen, here's how you get in touch with us. 24/7, ReddickBrownFord.com. You can call or text me at 615-397-3331. And listen, ask me about factory direct pricing on some of our vehicles that we're offering this year. Listen, 2024 is going to be incredible. We hope to give you more information about what to order, how to order, the best service that you can get. We appreciate you all watching our videos in 2023, and here's to an incredible 2024.